Hello everyone, Heine Haynes show for scale. Acta Non Verba, actions not words. This is the Z050 stonewashed version. Very nicely presented. Little card of authenticity to say it's made in the Czech Republic. Remove the foam, take the knife out and bring it closer to the camera for you. First thing we'll see is a nice, very deep pocket carry-on net on the wire clip, so you won't see anything, hardly anything in your pocket at all when that's being carried. It is a UK friendly because cutting edge is sub 7.62 and there's no lock. Works off double detent. You might be able to see in there, it's a bit tricky, but you can see two detent bars holding that open and holding it closed. While it's open, let's go through the specs on him. We'll have an overall length of, what are we looking at, 16 and a half. The blade on him, the blade is Sleipner steel, by the way, so premium steel on that one. And then if we measure it from the middle of, say, where the pivot is, we're looking at 6.5. Thickness wise, 3 mils thick, nicely rounded off. You might be able to see that on the camera or not. Nice little touch, name along the back, rounded, stonewash finish. I'll come to one thing you might be thinking of now. Let's just do the last measurement when he's closed. We're looking at bang on 10 centimeters. The nail nick on it is that part there, and hopefully you can see is there's a little fluorescent marker that if you actually go on a website and have a look, you will see how bright that glows. You can cheat and give it a little charge off a light and it will glow for hours and hours and hours, because the chances are it's going to be in your pocket during the day. But it's just a nice little touch. It's kind of unique to them, and it just finishes off a premium product really nicely. So let's just give you a couple of close-ups on him so you can see the superb fit and finish. There we go. And I'll pop him down and say from Acta Non Verba, that is the Z050 stonewash.